Hello guys, today we are going to solve a question from the chapter integral functions, and let us see what do we have today. So we have to find the integration of a function that is 1 upon cos x minus a multiplied by cos x minus b. So I will rate this question of the difficulty level as medium, because here we have to simplify this expression into a trigonometric function that is integrable, and for doing that we have to use some medium difficulty level identities that are related to trigonometry. So let us see. So what we do first, we multiply sine a minus b in the numerator and in the denominator at the both at the same time. So we multiply sine a minus b. The next step is that we break a minus b as x minus b minus x minus a. What do you do? We simplify, add x one time and subtract x one time. So we get sine a minus b on the simplification. The next step is that we have done it in this step. Now the next step is that we apply the formula of sine a minus b. That is, let me write it for you. Sine of a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. So our a is x minus b, our b is x minus a. So we apply the same formula and we get sin x minus b cos x minus a minus of cos x minus b sin x minus a, and in the denominator we have the same thing. Now what we do? We see that we can reduce some terms from the denominator and the numerator or simplify them. That is, if we take this part, the one highlighted in the green part, we get 10x minus b, and then we take the other part, let me show it with a different color, the purple one. The cos x minus b gets cancelled and we get 10 of x minus a, and in the denominator we have sin a minus b, which is constant. Now this integration is pretty easy, as we have two terms of which we know the integration already and we have a constant, so that does not affect the integration. Now let us move to the next slide. Just give me a sec. Okay, so now we have this integration and the constant is outside. Now the integration of 10x dx is equal to minus log of cos x. So we simply use this standard integration and we get integration of 10x minus b as minus of log cos x minus b, and integration of 10x minus a as minus of log cos x minus a. We get a plus here because minus is multiplied by another minus that came from the integration. So we finally get 1 upon sin a minus b or into log of cos x minus a upon cos x minus b. You must be wondering how this thing came. Let me show it. We have taken the help from a logarithmic identity that says log of a minus log of b is equal to log of a minus b. So we simply use this identity and get this final answer as our integration. So that is it. I hope you all got it. Thank you and have a nice day.